Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are bringing you 10 minutes of cardio dance ab work. So it is going to be nice and energetic, but we're going to be focusing in on our core, our abs, and all that good stuff. So just make sure you have a little bit of space. We're going to be standing up the whole time. Let's start with our feet nice and wide, little bend in those knees. Your rib cage is going to go right, front, left, back. So you're making a little box with the rib cage using our core for each direction. Take it right, front, left, back. Woo! All right, we're gonna make that a circle a little faster. Take it around. Connecting with that beat. Give me 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. We reverse those rib cage, side, front, side, back. So it's left, front, right, back. Already feeling it? Yes. Let's take that into that circle. Take it around and around. So try to keep your hips quiet here. It's easy to want them to roll around, but we're focusing right here on the core, on the rib cage. Good. We have 4, 3, side to side. Take it right, take it left. Go right to left. For 4, 3, yes, now take that rib cage out and in, out and in. That's it. 4, 3, side to side. Let's go. Right, left. 4, 3, 2, bring it front, bring it back. We got 8, 6, in 4, 3, 2. We're gonna press it down. You push right and left. Finding that hip to rib connection. Go a little faster, speed it up. Go side to side. You got it, y'all. We got 8, 6, 4, 3. Bring those elbows up right here. A little crunch, crunch. You're rounding through that tailbone. Think 8. Think crunch and crunch. 4, 3. We take it to the right corner. Pull down. Pull, pull, pull. So good, so good. We got 8, 6, 4, 3. Bring it back to center right here. Pull it down. Woo! 8 more to the front. And 4, 3, 2, left side. Let's pull back, back, crunch, crunch. 8 more. Let's go. We got 8, 6. Stay with me. We have 4, 3. Let's pull it side to side. You pull right to left, right to left. Good. Give me 8, 6, 4, 3. We speed it up. Go quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Pull, pull. 4, 3. You got it. 2, and 1. Rib cage side to side. Stay here for 4, 3, 2, take it front, take it back. You press, chest press. Side to side, let's go. That's it, get right. 4, 3, rib cage to the front, right? Here we got 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, step, touch, just take it right. Woo! All right, you guys, a little warm up for the core. We're gonna keep that energy building. Stay with me. Let's bring those feet underneath our hips. Stack your arms, lift the knees, right, left. Good, take your hands behind your head. You're pulling through your abs. Woo. Now we're gonna add a little twist to the right. You twist right, then left. Twist, twist. 4, 3, 2, bring it back to the front, reach up and overhead. Stay with me, shoulders are down, up and up. Woo, yes. We're gonna add a little pull down through the elbows. Right here, you pull, down, down. A little twist through your torso. Good. 4, 3, 2, right here. You're gonna push out, in, so you're thinking crunch, press, crunch, press. Find that hip to rib connection. Speed it up. Right here we go. Ow, ow. I'm gonna slow you back down. 2 steps to the right. You push out, in, other way, out, in, to the right, to the right, to the left. Keep it going. Let's go to the right. Squeeze. Focus that energy on your abdominals. Stay with me. 1 more each way. Last one. Yes. Hold here. We twist. Right, left. Twist, twist. Feel that rotation in your torso. Add a reach. Down and reach. Reach. Reaching for the sides of your space. Stay here. 8, 6, 4, 3. Come to center. A little faster. This side. Woo! You got it. Stay with me. Little change. Right here, we're gonna scoop to the right. You scoop. Right, center, left, center. Scooping into those obliques. Whew. Right, left, right, and left. 4 more. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. We speed up that scoop. Right here. You scoop. Right, left, right, left. Dig it out. You got it. Keep breathing. 8, 7, 6. Woo, so good, so strong. We have 4, 3, 2. Elbows up. We crunch and pull. Down and up. Down and up. Stay here. 8, 6, 4, 3. Take it to that right side. Let's pull. Up and down. Up and down. Whew. Keep breathing. 8, 6, 4, 3. Take it to the left right away. We take it up and down. Up and down. 8 more. 8, 6, 4, 3. Side to side. You pull. Right and left. Pull. Pull. Crunch. Crunch. You got 8, 6, 4, 3. Bring those hands to your hips. Take it side to side. Just easy twist. Start to reach, reach on that diagonal. Twist, twist. Double time, speed it up. Let's go. Reach, reach. Final pushes, yeah. Woo! 4, 3, 2. Just twist it out. Right, left. Twist, twist. Final 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it right, left. Yes. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Chest goes front, front. Inhale and exhale. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a big inhale all the way up. Press those hands out to the side. Reach up and over into the right side of your space. Lift all the way up. Other way, big stretch. Woo! And lift it up. Roll your shoulders back. Then take them to the front. Reverse. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stand tall. Bring your feet together. Big inhale up. And then exhale. Let it go. Give yourselves a big round of applause, you guys. Hopefully you felt that in your core. You had some fun while doing it. And if you like this video, let me know in the comments. We will see you next time.